The Golden Feather. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between tall mountains, there lived a kind old woman named Grandma Lina. She was known for her generosity and always had something to share, no matter how little she had. One day, while tending to her small garden, Grandma Lina noticed something shiny on the ground. It was a beautiful golden feather, glimmering in the sunlight. She picked it up and marveled at its beauty. "I wonder which bird lost this feather," she thought. The next morning, Grandma Lina found a loaf of bread and a jar of honey on her doorstep. There was no note, but she was grateful and thought of it as a kind gesture from a neighbor. She decided to use the golden feather to write a thank you letter, hoping to find out who had left the gift. She left the letter on her doorstep, and the next day, to her surprise, there was another gift: fresh fruits and a warm blanket. Again, no one came forward to claim responsibility. Grandma Lina continued to receive these gifts every morning, and with each one, she left a small note of thanks written with the golden feather. The villagers soon noticed how happy Grandma Lina had become, and they began to visit her more often, bringing small gifts and sharing stories. The kindness in the village grew, and soon everyone was helping each other, just like Grandma Lina had always done. One day, a little girl named Maria asked Grandma Lina, "Where did you get the golden feather?" Grandma Lina smiled and said, "I found it in my garden, but I believe it belongs to a special bird, one that brings out the goodness in people. You see, this feather helped me remember that kindness spreads, just like ripples in a pond." From that day on, the golden feather was passed around the village. Each person who received it would write a note of thanks or encouragement and leave it for someone else. The village became known far and wide for its kindness and generosity, all thanks to a single golden feather and the kind heart of Grandma Lina. Moral of the story: kindness is a gift that keeps on giving. When you share it, it grows and spreads to everyone around you.